Hello children, welcome to this mathematics session. In this session, we're going to learn about operations on integers. Operations on integers mean we're going to add integers, subtract integers, multiply and division. We're going to divide them, right? So before that, I want to remind you once what are integers. Yes, you know about natural numbers. Natural numbers start with 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these you know, and so on like this. So if we attach 0 to it, we get whole numbers, right? Whole numbers. So a new numbers, we have introduced a new numbers along with these, all these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 like this. So all these numbers, all these list of numbers are called integers. Yes, you may know a little bit about these negative integers or negative numbers, when we use, why we use, like that. So this is not the time, but I want to tell you about operations on integers. So with what letter do we represent integers? Indeed, Z. Okay, Z. So Z is a huge list of numbers, isn't it? So in this Z, we are going to learn how to add integers, how to subtract integers, how to multiply and divide. Suppose integers, here is a tin of integers containing all those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on, 0 and along with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, all these numbers. So this is the tin of integers. Suppose each number is written on a slip and dropped in this container. That means all integers are inside and each number is written on a slip. Suppose if we take 2 slips out of it, suppose you take 2 numbers out of it, what kind of numbers you may get? Two numbers. So you may get 2 positive numbers. Yes, as we know, integers are like this now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So all this section is known as positive integers, plus numbers. Usually we do not write plus in front of plus numbers. Actually this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. But we do not write plus. Automatically it means plus number. So these are negative integers, negative part. But here we write minus. And 0, anyway it is neither negative nor positive. So suppose if we take 2 numbers out of it, what kind of numbers you may get? You may get both positive numbers, plus numbers. That means you may get 2 numbers from this side. You may get 5, 6 or 10, 11 or big, whatever numbers. Or you may get 2, mind you, I am taking 2 numbers out of it. Both may be negative numbers. And the third chance is you may get 1 plus number, 1 minus number. So these 3 cases may arise whenever you pick 2 numbers out of it. So my first operation is adding integers. Adding integers. So adding integers means I'm going to take 2 integers, that means 2 numbers, and I add them. It looks easy, it speaks easy, but I want to show you it by means of an activity, right? Are you ready? So here I'm going to use these green plastic things for positive numbers. These are positive numbers. Green means positive, okay, and red means negative, right? Red, but I use red, negative. These days we are hearing positive, negative, oh they are very dangerous. If you get in COVID test you get negative, oh you're happy. If it's positive, it's a bit panic feeling for us. Okay, anyway, here green means positive numbers, plus numbers, and red means negative numbers. These are the things that I'm going to use to show you how to do operations on integers. First we are going to do addition of integers. So one important thing I want to tell you is, while using these things, is one green means plus 1, one green, one red means minus 1. So this is plus 1, one green means plus 1, this is minus 1. So if I use, this is 2 are there, you say. One more if I put here 3, like that. So one green means plus 1, one red means minus 1. So once I add these two, they become 0. So one set together is 0. They neutralize each other. Okay, you know that. Suppose your mom gave you 1 rupee and taken back, how much money you will be having? 0. Plus 1 giving, minus 1 taking, so 0. That's why one green and one red, that means one positive and one negative, makes it nullified, 0. Right? Remember this. Now let's jump to adding our integers. Okay, you took 2 numbers out of it. Suppose you get 3 and 5 on your slips. Okay, I am using only small numbers to make comfortable show. So suppose how to add them? 3 plus 5. Oh, it's easy. We know, sir. 3 plus 5, 8. No problem. Okay, anyway, since I have used only positive numbers, I have to take 3 green ones and 5 more I want to take. Okay, bear with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 5, add them, 8. As simple as that. There is no worries, no issues at all. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And you can change the order also. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay? Because since we are doing, the main operation is addition here. We are doing plus. For plus, that means in addition, you can exchange the places. You can put this thing this side, this thing this side. No problem. You can exchange the places. That means 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. Okay. Now let me show you second case. Suppose if we get 2 negative integers. In first case we got 2 positive integers, and in second case, suppose we got 2 negative integers. For instance, you got minus 2 and minus 4. How to add minus 2 and minus 4? Minus 2 and minus 4. So here, right, I'm showing minus 2 plus minus 4. How much do we get? Here many of you are getting confusion. So here, see, so since it is minus, I'm going to take negative, red ones. Minus 2 plus minus 4. Minus 2 plus minus 4. See, here 2 taken, here 4 taken. I want to add them. All remain red. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, minus 2 plus minus 4. This is main operation. These are the numbers we took. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Or you can write it as minus 4 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Yes, your teacher taught you like this. You have taken 2 rupees and you have taken 4 rupees from him. How much money do you borrowed? 6 rupees. So 2 negative numbers, their sum give you negative number again. This is second case. In first case we took 2 positive numbers, we add them. In second case we took 2 negative numbers. Now in third case we're going to take 1 positive and 1 negative. Suppose you get now 4 plus number 4 and minus 3. How to add them? 4 plus minus 3. How much? Answer 4 plus minus 3. How much is the answer? Yes, again we take the assistance of our activities. 4 positive number means I have to take 4 this kind of things and 3 negative numbers. Now see 4 plus minus 3, I have to add them. So whenever I am adding, as I told you at the beginning, one positive, one negative gets neutralized. They become 0. They vanish. Okay, they disappear like this. So they disappear like this. They disappear like this. So with what we left? One green one. Green indicates plus number. So our answer is plus. How many are there? Plus 1 answer. So 4 plus minus 3 is equal to plus 1. So this is nothing but, again I am telling you, you can change the places. Minus 3 plus 4 you can write also. Because it is main operation is plus. What we are doing is plus. So minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. This is same as first one. First one is same as 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So reduce 3 from 4 is equal to 1. So develop this sense, this common sense. Okay. So we are adding integers and we took 2 positive integers. That is straightforward. You are doing right from your childhood. And we took 2 negative integers. And in the third case, we took 1 positive number and 1 negative number and we added them. We get like this. Some of you may get doubt that what else? What if it is smaller number and it is big number? That one also let us see. Suppose if we have positive number 3 and negative number is somewhere like minus 7. How to add them? It is simple. 3 plus minus 7 we have to do. Okay, take 3 positive, 3 green ones. Okay, 3 green ones and 7 red ones. Now we have to add them. So what color is dominating? As you see, you can see that minus is dominating. Red one is dominating. Since red one is dominating, we can say that we're going to have minus. Okay, let me finish. We will have to add these things. So as I told you, these two disappear, these two perish, these two vanish. I'm using different words for you to understand. So what are the things that we're going to have here? 4 red ones, no green ones at all. How many are there? Since we are having red ones, we use to minus, and 4 are there, minus 4. So 3 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 4. This is very important. So this is the way we are going to do operations on integers. This is the first step, adding integers. Now we understood. So carefully observe these instances and develop them for the big numbers. Suppose if I give you what is 10 plus minus 15, that means you have to understand what is the main operation here, plus. So you took 10 minus 15. So what we're going to have, since it is a big dominating one, we are going to have minus. How much dominating? 5x's minus 5. Like that you can learn how to operate on integers. In the next video, we are going to learn how to subtract integers. Okay? Right.